All right, are you ready?
I am.
Because I got a chance to go check out our friends at the Compleat Kitchen.
Right over there. Does your home have a kitchen? I'm surprised they sent you to do that one.
I don't know how to cook, but they got the goods that you need. Check this out. Kaimuki Kahala Week continues as we celebrate the 96816 here at Kahala Mall. We are in a place that I absolutely love to come to because I'm not a cook, but I'm kind of a cook wannabe. And if you want to be the very best cook with all of the awesomest gadgets, you need to come to the Compleat Kitchen. Now we're talking here with Richard Farrow. He's our store manager. Richard, I know that you folks are an all year round store.
Yes, we are.
But I kind of noticed that every holiday you folks kind of switch things up a little bit, right?
For the holidays, we do.
I love that. And we've got 3 holidays coming at us. So
we do.
Are you guys ready for Halloween?
Yes, we are.
Show me what you got.
Okay, for a Halloween house party, let's make pizza. Okay, so the gadgets that we need is going to be pizza stones. We have pizza pans. We have a pizza wheel to slice up your pizza. This is actually going to be a tombstone pizza.
I love that. It's like a little mummy.
And then the regular pizza, you can have cutouts to make ghosts for your pizza.
So fun. This is great for a Halloween party. And I just kind of love the cat charcuterie board that we've got here. You know, and it comes with all the little spreaders. You got ghost spreaders and you got kitty cat spreaders. You know, this is the cheese spreaders. This is so cute. I love it. And I noticed this right here.
Yeah.
And oh gosh, it's heavy. This is real. This is real cast iron.
It is. It's a solid cast iron pot. It's enamel cast iron made in France. And if you want to make a pumpkin soup, great to make it in.
I love it. Okay, so we've got all kinds of wonderful things for Halloween. Are you ready for Thanksgiving?
Yes, we are.
Show me what you got.
Okay. For our Thanksgiving meal, you're going to need a roasting pan.
Ooh.
And then we also have thermometers.
You know, this is like very important for the safety of everyone who's eating, right?
Yes.
Make sure that the turkey and anything you're cooking, whether it's a roast beef or prime rib, is at the proper temperatures, right?
That's all correct, yes.
Yeah, that's awesome. What else you got?
And then we also have fat separators. We have gravy boats. And then we actually have a brining kit. It's a dry rub so that your turkey comes out nice and juicy.
Oh, and then that way you're not trying to put these things together yourself, right?
It's an easy rub.
There's just no guessing.
Yes. And then if you're traveling to somebody's house, then you can actually use this fancy pans, and it comes with a gel pack.
It's actually called fancy pans.
And you can do hot or cold food to transport.
That is so smart. But what if we just want a really easy cleanup? You guys got any paper goods too as well?
Yes, we do. We have paper plates for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And rather than washing, you can just discard it, throw it away.
That is so perfect, Richard. You guys thought of everything. So we've got Halloween, we've got Thanksgiving.
By the way, little girl, we are open on Thanksgiving Day for our Black Friday specials.
On Thanksgiving Day?
On Thanksgiving Day.
I love that. But what about Christmas?
Christmas we have up at the front. Let's go take a look.
Woo-hoo. Richard, you promised me Christmas and you delivered, my friend. What kind of stuff do we have for the holiday season?
For the holidays, we actually have character waffle makers over here. We have coffee makers. We have matcha green tea sets here. Everything is inside that you need.
I love it. And the tea as well?
And then we have the matcha green tea as well. Ooh. And you can store your tea in this container also here.
Love it.
And then besides that, we have rice cookers. We have a shabu shabu hot pot.
Separated.
This one you can do meat, no meat, spicy, not spicy.
Perfect.
And then it also comes with a grill pan.
Oh, so you can make yakiniku as well.
Yes.
Nice. And then what about some of the items for everyday, all year round kind
Everyday
of things?
use, we have fruit sponges, we have silicone cup covers, we have double wall glasses that keeps your drinks hot and cold longer. And then we have a pop-up Christmas tree for someone who may not have a regular tree.
And here's that sample, that open sample right here. So perfect. And I know that there are certain days of the week that are special where people can come in and grab discounts. What are those days?
Senior days on Tuesday, Kamaina on Thursday, military is every day, and we also have gift certificates available as well.
Now, you folks are on social media. I see it. Instagram, website. Can we also do some of our ordering online as well? well?
Yes, you can. So for Instagram, it's at Compleat Kitchen. And for our online store, it's www.compleatkitchenhawaii.com. And then we have our promotions and special discounts there.
Perfect, Richard. Oh my goodness. If you love cooking, if you love being in the kitchen, or you know somebody that does, this is the place to come to, the Compleat Kitchen, for everything. Right here, Kaimuki Kahala in Kahala Mall. All right, show me some other stuffs.